Cubot has officially launched its latest mini-series smartphone named Pocket. Designed for convenience and extreme portability, this 4-inch mini smartphone gives you all the necessary and exciting features of the modern phone, but in a lightweight and compact design that can easily fit in your palm. The world's smallest Android smartphone, Cubot Pocket, is only about 4 inches tall and offers Android 11 OS with 4GB of RAM and 64 internal memory, upgradable up to 128GB with a memory card. Also, there is a dual SIM standby, 60MP rear camera, 5MP selfie camera, 4-inch QHD Plus display with the excellent 540 by 1080 pixel resolution and long-lasting 3000 mAh battery under the hood. It has NFC, USB-C, GPS and only 128 grams weight. You can get the smallest mobile phone as today for only $99, but only for a limited time for the first 100 buyers at the official Cubot store at AliExpress. The links are below this video. Be sure to visit them and get your new Cubot Pocket mini smartphone at this exclusive price today. That will be all for now. See you soon in the next video. Bye.